end of the Laffbar Comedy Challenge, and at the end of the day our winners have emerged. We have the first, second, the third. They are cool guys with their content. If you ever voted for any one of them, you'll be glad you did voted for them. How you doing?
I'm good.
GT,
yeah,
for your mind. Settle down, right?
I did, bro.
Why you not say no comedy prize just first?
Not for you. I did that prize.
Yeah. Welcome.
It's good to be finally.
It's good to be finally here, right? Congratulations, man. Congratulations. How do you feel?
I feel very happy.
Welcome. This is Laffbar, where all we do is making happiness. Young CEO, right? What's up? What do you find like this? Which boy? Just cause you look like sister that we put together. How you doing? How do you feel?
Very happy, man. The first guys when I was God, I could not hold my joy. Seriously.
That's cool. Welcome to Laffbar.
Thank you so much.
All we do here is just to make happiness. Huh? Your fellow gentleman in the business of
Where are you? Are you doing a lot of people like in a political party? Alright, man. Congrats.
Okay, this is Laffbar. We're still making the happiness. Keep up, watch us, don't touch the dial. We're moving from here to do all the process and everything. You're gonna love this. You will love this.
I'm flexing, yeah. Cause I just checked my bank account and I'm good. I'm flexing, yeah. Cause my single's going off in my hood. I'm flexing, yeah.
Your DJ has only just begun.
Question to ask you today. Will you marry me even though I met you today? And she said, you don't even know my father. Oh, the mommy rara. You don't know my mother. Baby Messiah. Can you pay my rent price? It's just $1 million.
No universal solution is a technology company. We are trying to use technology to solve a lot of everyday problems. And one of the major things that's our passion is comedy. So we decided to build an IT platform that's the Laffbar. But part of the things that we are focused on as an organization is we want to be able to develop talent, especially new talent in the industry, and that is what has informed this competition. Now this is the first edition. We saw a lot of comments. People will come up and say, for this small thing you want to collect this. We have platforms that we want to benchmark with, some of them majorly outside of this country. So we are very focused on what we are doing, and we are very appreciative of the fact that you had faith in a platform you don't, I'm sure some of you don't know it before. You just saw it and decided to take a chance. And at the end of the day, 3 of you came out tops. What we are giving now is something that the company has taken its effort to invest in. But I assure you, as we go further in this, we're going to have mega prizes, because we'll be working with some other people to bring this to limelight, to make this big. So you officially as the first maiden winners, you are Laffbar Associate, right? We're going to sign some forms and contracts to you. We'll work together and try to develop that talent. Now, MC Reason is our content development manager. He's very vast, he knows what comedy is all about. He's a thespian. He tells us, no, that's not comedy, you have to do it. He knows all of those things. Mr. Dan is the head of our learning unit. We have another platform we are developing, Flow Forward Learning is the head. And that also we are going to launch not too far from now. It's everything we need to launch that is already in place. Pius is the head of our apps development. Laffbar is going to be turning it into an app on the phone. Very soon you are just going to download an app and press it and you are watching all of the comedies. You don't need to go to laffbar.com. He's working that. Joy is the one that takes care of everybody in the office. She's wonderful. She makes sure that we are okay, so that we can sit down in one place. We'll be running up and down. And Felix, Felix, we call it Blaze.
Power Blaze.
Yeah, Power Blaze. Yeah, sorry, I removed the power. Power Blaze is the head of our IT unit. It's the head of innovations and development. Anything you give to him, he has another version of it to give to us. We also have a technical unit. Dami, the one behind the camera, is fantastic. For now, he handles the camera, he does editing, now graphics, all of it, and it's available to work with any of you to produce your videos in terms of quality, quality editing, quality delivery. If you have some idea, even in terms of ideation, if you have some ideas, you can run it by us. The team will look at it, will try to dissect it to make sure that it fits some certain criteria and is meeting some certain targets. And beyond that, beyond producing skits, we also want to be able to market each and every one of you while developing you. We want to be able to have brands work with you. We want to be able to expose you to brands to say, okay, this is a good brand ambassador. You have gotten involved in this and you've come out tops. The initial video submitted for this competition was about 30. Yeah, we disqualified a couple of videos and ended up with like 17. And so it tells you that it's not just you did something right. Number one, you met the criteria. Number two, you were in the run and you got the vote. So you now you are like, I won't say an ambassador yet, because we need to work with you for a while. Then you become an ambassador of Laffbar. We'll use the word associate for now. We will do the promotion. Leave that to us. We'll take those your works, we'll take them to places, we'll push them in some quarters that ordinarily, probably, I won't say it's impossible, but probably your works will not have been looked at and someone like, oh wow, this boy has talent. You understand? We will push them to those quarters so that if there is any chance that you are the next big thing to happen in this industry, we'll make sure that that is what happens.
This is still Laffbar, where all we do is making happiness, and we can see the happiness in our faces. After all, so many things have gone, so many things are at the table, and they deserve to be agents of happiness, true of us. So guys, how do you guys feel?
See, alright, I believe.
You're beautiful. Okay, our winners. Like, how do you feel? Okay, one more time, let me say congratulations to you guys, and the welcome to Laffbar officially again. You know, so after it's not believe, now they tell the truth. Now we talk now. So I want to ask. Let me start from young CEO. Let me ask you this. Do you laugh?
I love laugh.
What kind of laugh do you laugh when you want your own kind of laugh?
Heavy kind of laugh. Let me use that adjective. Heavy, very.
Heavy kind of laugh. Let's see now.
I need something to make me laugh.
I don't understand. I laugh, you laugh.
The right
But
laugh.
the nice form.
Yeah, tell yourself joke, make yourself laugh.
Remember your skits. Remember your skits.
And you said I heavy laugh. You never die. You want me to escape from war? Even down me on the camera is laughing. Dr. Ajibade, that's our second. Please, let's have the camera on Dr. Ajibade. That's our doctor in the PD. In one word, describe happiness.
Let me say excitement.
Excitement.
Yes, excitement in any way, in any form. Just
Okay,
excitement.
when you heard that you won that you came second, right?
Yes.
How was the excitement? That excitement.
I was very happy because I was in my room and people have been anticipating the result and asking what's up. So when I got the news, in fact, I was telling everybody because the love was.
But you laughed, sir. You laughed. Like, when you saw that yes, you came second. Let's see that laughter. That's the way you. You laugh like person not get food.
I know Google get phone.
So you borrowed phone.
I borrowed phone.
Wow.
I borrowed.
The Lord has answered your prayer.
Happiness.
But what if this phone that the customer you come use and give seat for church?
I could do church.
Okay. Now, GT. Okay, that's our third our winner, right? For you came out the third position. Like you took the third position, right? Okay, let me ask you this: how does it feel being a comedian? How do you feel being a comedian?
In fact, it's being a comedian is like living, because comedy is just it's just life. Comedy is just life. It's without. In fact, I used to tell people, if you take me to where they don't talk, that means it's like you've killed me. So the worst thing any man can do to me is just shut my mouth. Comedy is life.
Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Comedy is life. Okay, you laughed, eh?
I laugh a lot.
Okay, what was your feeling like when you saw that you came out, you were in the third position, like you came out third position? Wow. Yeah. How did you feel? Did you feel the less like maybe for carry the phone and maybe now Jolo, but you think clear for Yash, are you saying?
Yeah. Well, to be very candid, nobody don't like goods. I like carry face. I like the phone in my eye well. Seriously. But when I came out the third position, I was so excited because it's not easy. Out of about 17 contestants, come on. I want to carry thoughts for this. I don't see that. We are all winners.
That's the point, really.
We are winners. That's true. The person who carry phone self, you don't get data. Like Jibade, you not get phone before. So then I go wait to carry third for another. We are not thinking of data for the next one. Let me throw this question to Jibade. Jibade, see, you know your face. Initially, when I saw your skit, let me tell you the truth. I saw your skit, I was like, I was interested in meeting you one-on-one because your face be like person confused. Like I don't think sorry. On a soft voice, a soft note rather. Now tell me, when you cry, and when you laugh. What's the difference in your face?
I know they cried. I never see people like me know they cry. We don't see everything finish.
You don't see everything
We
finish?
don't see everything finish. Because we don't because everything finish. But the laughter will just always overshadow the tears. Yeah. It's just life normally when sometimes you cry, but then laughter just picks you up and makes you keep going. So laughter for me always makes my face better.
Young to you. They look up. When I was asking that question, you're like, I don't understand. You don't cry. What do you mean you don't cry? Young to you, the way your face be. Let me ask you this question. When you cry and when you laugh, which one of your face the war pass? When you cry, I mean you cry. You cry. Now think about the way you order for that food because everybody food just like that disappointment in your heart. Please, I want to see that cry.
He said that they show picture before
Obviously, that. But I want to see that cry. How your face will work. So you not come from East Coast cry. You laugh or you're crying at the same time. I see.
So you were what?
Okay, guys, let's see this. Is being a comedian a hobby to you? Is it leisure? Is it an occupation? What GT, what is it to you?
It's what being comedy is what I do for a living, and it's just everything about me. I love comedy. I love making people laugh. I enjoy comedy so much that I do it even without being paid, because it's what I enjoy doing, and it has really been paying the bills.
Even without being paid, and it has been paying the bill. No wonder, even without being paid. Now I understand why you cherish your data. Being a comedian, like being a comedian, are you an occupational comedian, or comedy is just your leisure or your hobby?
Well, it's both, but it's majorly on the hobby side because I'm sort of not very free now to fully go into occupational. But I do it occupational also, but not as much as the hobby. But it's both of them for me. And the truth is, you enjoy something as an occupation when it's first your hobby.
Yeah.
So it's first my hobby, then start making $1 or $2 from it. So
That's cool. I like that. But in my own advice, I advise me not combine dot and comedy together. You do operation now, you come make all your crew laugh. Now, come forget to so.
Operation, look below when they funny.
So say my friend, you have a child. You say, hey, don't tell you. But that's cool. And is it leisure to you? Is it a hobby? Is it an occupation to you? Or what is it to you?
For me, because for now it has not started paying.
How you say not the pay? You don't wait for now.
Yeah. This one now, I'm the first. So I'm just
Please, a round of applause for that.
I'm just doing it for this one. People telling me that I'm sure what you do. If I see your face, I laugh. That's the one giving me encouragement.
Young CEO, with all consideration to the fact that you came from the East, what if we tell you now that everything, but this food, everything you've just done, they are all jokes?
Okay.
No, on a very serious note, like, on a very, very serious note, what would you feel like we tell you now that everything now is a joke? It's just, we're just joking. You start laughing and what?
it would be a very funny comedy skit. It would be a comedy skit.
Funny and serious at the same time.
But then, to be honest, I'll feel bad. But then, life goes on and I'll feel bad.
I'll not go.
I'll feel bad, but I believe in Laffbar, and I know that there are a whole lot of things that Laffbar is doing and that's coming up in the future. So I might just see it as probably something happened as a setback, and I'll move on. But it will pain me, to be honest.
Well, for me, I won't feel bad because for the first time, I'm able to get that's comedy skits. A lot of people I got 585 votes. That means about 585 people watched my skits, and I know how many comments I got. Like, that was nice, that was wonderful. Come on, I know if not for Laffbar, I wouldn't have been able to push it that far. I won't feel bad because meeting great men, meeting everybody here, it's really great, and it has exposed me to a lot of things. So seriously, I won't feel bad because it's comedy. It's comedy, actually. It's comedy. Yeah.
And we are comedians.
Yeah, we're comedians. I'm just.
Okay, but even in this joke we are talking about, you want to say something again? Okay.
I was that crying. Because seriously, coming down from East, I get to know that all these things there is just like.
What about this testimony that has planned?
I've been planned, as in the church is waiting for me, everybody's waiting for me, so I'll just start crying.
But they believe.
And telling me that I'll pay for this food. Where will I get away from?
But don't see you. Your church, they believe in you. They believe in jokes, right? What if this is another joke? Like just get a joke, or they just go joke with us. What if?
Like expensive, very expensive.
Okay, now even in the euphoria of this joke, like in the same periphery of this joke, like we are saying that this could be a joke. Would you ask somebody else to participate in this kind of joke if we tell you that it's a joke and we roll this out again? Would you tell somebody that check the just participate and allow them feel this kind April kind of joke that we have done to you today? Because seriously, guys, seriously, in the real sense of it, you might be laughing now and like what are these guys saying? In the real sense of it, if I want to tell you the truth, this is real. This is Laffbar. Congratulations on that, guys. So we hope my Oga at the top, not the NSCDC, not that one.
The Laffbar Oga.
Not the Laffbar Oga at the top. Just as you heard from the crew, from Laffbar family, this is real. We are doing this. Your phones are here, and we will present them to you right away. Number one,
Let's stand up.
comedian of the Laffbar Comedy. That's Young CEO. Young CEO, congratulations on your comedy skits becoming number one. And I want to say that's Ajibade, Dr. Ajibade, prospective doctor. Please round of applause. The second runner, which happened to be the came in the third position rather. That's GT Moore.
Yes, they go hear what?
We'll pick the entire.
You don't know, this data. They go hear what?
Christmas is settled.
The nice one, man.
I like the snappish attire or blue tire. It's gonna be another time, and very soon is that another time we have to roll out another comedy challenge again for people, comedians who are at home, to enjoy and participate from what we do. From the Laffbar crew, from the Flow Universal Solution crew, I want to say thank you very much for keeping up with us. Thank you very much also for believing in us and making sure that we make your happiness. This is Laffbar, where all we do is making happiness. My name is still MC Reason, the comedy philosophical comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the king of stage, the lord of comedy, and the crown prince of talk.
Yeah, you're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one